Hello, if you want to connect Pendrive to your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then there is actually a way to do so. And in order to do that, you need to have an adapter that looks pretty much like this. This is an example adapter that you can use in order to connect the Pendrive. So over here on one side, we have the mini USB or USB-C that allows us to connect to the smartphone. And on the other hand, we have the USB-A that is used for most of the pendrives. So simply connect the pendrive to the adapter, and then of course the adapter to the USB port on your smartphone. And there we go. Now we can open notification tray, so swipe from the top towards the middle. You should have the information that the USB storage has been added. We can reveal this, unfold this notification in order to find the option to open the storage and also unmount. So if you want to remove the pendrive later on, you probably want to unmount it first. At least this is the safest way to do so. So you can either open in order to immediately jump to the storage of your USB, or you can go to the My Files app. This is where we can also find the pendrive or the storage of the pendrive, which should be located in the storage section over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.